Have you heard of a whole food plant-based diet? Is it a key to our health and wellness? Is whole food plant-based diet a secret answer to prevent lifestyle diseases that are rampant today? For example, diabetes, obesity, cardiovascular issues like hypertension, arthritis, cancer, etc. You will discover the answer in this episode of Munch and Mull if you watch until the Mull point at the end of the video. Let's begin. First and foremost, let's understand what it means by a whole food plant-based diet. A whole food plant-based diet aims to maximize the consumption of nutrient-dense plant food while minimizing the consumption of processed food, refined oils, animal foods, including dairy and eggs. A whole food plant-based diet encourages consumption of lots of vegetables, cooked or raw, and fruits. Use of whole grains and pulses like brown rice, millets, pulses with skin. Inclusion of nuts in smaller amounts and seeds. The general focus is low fat. Use of natural sweeteners and unrefined cold-pressed cooking oils. Why should you even consider a whole food plant-based diet? According to contemporary research, a whole food plant-based diet is loaded with advantages. Here I quote a few. A whole food plant-based diet is associated with lower rates of hypertension, cancer, obesity, stroke, and diabetes. Many other chronic conditions like arthritis and even autoimmune disorders could be improved by simply switching to this diet. Further, a whole food plant-based diet is the most optimal way to feed and care for your gut microbiome. Almost always, these kinds of foods are fiber-rich and micronutrient dense. Generally speaking, the high fiber results in the foods having low glycemic index and so are very beneficial for diabetics. High fiber also means lower carbs and not empty calories, and so are a huge aid in weight loss too. As we mentioned, these whole grain plant foods are loaded with antioxidants. The amazing array of benefits of antioxidants include anti-cancer and anti-inflammatory benefits too. Here's a small afterthought. The ultimate choice that you can make is choosing organic plant-based whole food diet. And my go-to choice is of course BioBasics. If you would like to explore BioBasics, you could use the referral link given in the description box to avail discount on your first order. We have seen what is a whole food plant-based diet, but let us see what would I not include as a whole food plant-based diet. Let's mull over it. According to my definition of whole food plant-based diet, I would not include these: white polished rice, refined flour, popularly called maida or all-purpose flour. Of course, all the products made commercially using refined flour like white bread, pizza bases, pasta, instant noodles, even naan, cakes, pastries, etc. will not qualify. Refined sugar, refined oils, soft and carbonated drinks. So the obvious question is, are there alternatives? The recipes that you will find on Munch and Mull are almost completely whole food plant-based recipes. The only occasional deviation I make sometimes is in the use of milk, curd or clarified butter. But that is an exception, not the norm. To make it easy for you, I have compiled a whole playlist of plant-based whole food recipes. Do explore a whole new world. Now here's my question to you. Having seen the multiple benefits of a whole food plant-based diet, do you think it is worth considering? Or are you already having it and did not realize it? Or when do you plan to start it? Leave your comments in the comment section below. And And if you really like this video, do not forget to press that like button and share it with your family and friends.
Hey, have you subscribed to Munch and Mull? Do click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon to receive notifications of my newest videos uploaded every Saturday.